Hey guys, today we're going to look at another Gear S3 replacement band, 22 millimeter replacement band. This is another leather band from Kartice. So here is Kartice's product page on Amazon. So you can get this band right here, this brown leather. It's like a mixture of brown and black on the sides for $14.58 with free same-day delivery. For qualifying orders, $35 and over. For qualifying, that means the other product that you order also has to be Prime free same-day delivery eligible. And they both have to total 35 or more to get the free same-day delivery or one-day delivery. And so let's go take a look at it. You can pause this page, read it for yourself, but let's take a look at the actual product. So here it is, the box. It says Kartice. It's unopened, nothing on the sides. On the back, you have all the brands or companies that they make for on these watch bands. And right here is probably the serial number and the name. Nothing on the bottom. You got your colors here on this side and the back yeah, and that's it. So let's open it up. Okay, so pretty much just your bare bones packaging. All that you get is the watch bands themselves. And let me smell it. It smells like real leather. It's right here you see it says 22 M, which is probably 22 millimeters, or the M for medium. We'll find out, because I just have like small to medium size wrist. So here on the sides, as you can see, is black, and it's a stiff leather, but it's not too stiff that it will be uncomfortable. It's just more on the person who's wearing these, if they like the fit of it and how it feels in the wrist. And once again, as if you guys see on my previous video for the leather bands, I had the Loxan 2-pack. Here is the brown Loxan leather band, and as you can see, this brown one from Loxan is like more like I said, a reddish brown color. This one is more like a tan color. Okay, this one here from Kartice. And again, it's quick release, meaning you can do quick replacements, or quick you can swap out the look of your Gear S3 real quickly. So let me go grab my gear. So here is my Gear S3, and let's install this thing. You hear that snap into place. When you're changing your the bands on your Gear S3, make sure you don't touch these buttons right here on the sides, because you press different things. Like I accidentally uninstalled one of my watch faces from touching the side buttons. I didn't know what I was touching and what I let it do. And there you go, it snapped into place, as you can see. And there it is with my Swiss watch face. So it looks real clean. And like I said, with leather watch bands and the stainless steel watch bands, it looks more formal, or it looks more dressier, if that's even a word, and you can wear it with more, your formal or more fancy clothes. instead of making it look more sporty as it would be if you had the nylon straps or the silicone straps. So let me put it on. So with this one, it is a little shorter than the Loxan leather. Like I'm trying to keep my wrist relaxed, so it only leaves me room for, or there's only room for like 1, 2, 3 more notches or holes on this. And like I said, the leather, just like on the Loxan review, is kind of stiff in the beginning, but they should get more loose or less stiff. And they're not uncomfortable by any means. Any of the leather bands that I have reviewed so far, none of them are uncomfortable in the wrist to wear. And let me try to get my wrist turned because, like I said, I do not have the most flexible of wrists. And there you go. Like I said, I have 7.5-inch wrists, but my wrists are not that wide going this way. They're more thicker this way. So there you go. Highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended, and it's another good look here with this Kartice. So like I said on Amazon's page, Kartice has some very good reviews on all their watch bands. They're all 4.5 stars and more, and there's like 311 reviews for their leather bands. And I would give it 4.5 stars. The 4.5 only being because you don't get no extras, but it's real good quality. Very good quality. It's the thing with another good thing with leather bands is they don't add more extra weight to the watch like they do with stainless steel bands. And with these quick release pins makes installation super easy. And with the leather, nylon, and silicone, you don't have to worry about these quick release pins falling off like you do with the stainless steel. So they don't really have to give you extra pins for those. And so that is it. This is the Kartice 22 millimeter brown. I'm gonna say it's like on Amazon it says brown too, but I'm gonna call it the tan brown. The other brown is a darker shade of brown, and there's some colors in the stitching. If you guys want to look at it on that page, on Amazon's page. And so that's it. This is $14.58 with Prime free same-day delivery with qualifying orders $35 and over. Highly recommended, guys. So that is it for the Kartice brown leather 22 millimeter Gear S3 band. Have a great day, and we'll see you again for another video.